In a world shaken by power, betrayal, and silence, one voice rose with truth. This is not just history. This is the roar of justice. Today, we bring you one of the most powerful sermons ever delivered. Sermon number 4 of Nahj-ul-Balagah, known as Shia, spoken by the line of Allah, Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib, A.S. Indeed, by Allah, so-and-so, Abu Bakr put on the cloak of the caliphate, while he knew that my position with respect to it was like the axis in the handmill. The flood flows from me, and the bird cannot reach me. I put a curtain over it and kept myself away. I began to ponder, should I attack with a severed hand, or endure the darkness wherein the grown becomes frail, the young becomes old, and the believer toils until he meets his Lord? I realized that patience was wiser, so I endured with a thorn in my eye and suffocation in my throat. I saw my inheritance being plundered. Then the third man arose. He treated the caliphate like a discarded she-camel. He followed his desires, and after him, the matter returned to me. I took it up when others abandoned it. I stood firm when others turned away. By Allah, beware of the Quran. Let none surpass you in acting upon it. This sermon is not just political history. It is a testimony of pain, patience, and suppressed truth. Imam Ali, did not speak these words out of anger, but out of a responsibility to truth and justice. He compares himself to the center of a millstone, meaning the system of Islam could only truly function around his leadership. The severed hand was not literal. It symbolized how limited his ability was to fight injustice openly. And yet, despite injustice, he chose sabr, patience, not because he was weak, but because the unity of the Ummah was more important than his personal right. This is the voice of a leader who had truth on his side, but chose peace over chaos. The Shakshakiyah's sermon reminds us, silence can be stronger than war. Truth doesn't always scream, sometimes it waits. Share this message. Learn from this legacy. If this sermon moved your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more authentic Islamic history, the way it was meant to be heard.